This is our car. जाएगा बैंक बोलो नहीं जाएगा डिपॉजिट करो जाओ आगे बैठो भाई
तो उल्टा रास्ता में आगे है ना ना algo se era muito feliz que ela deu ele já ah no pode fazer back no jogo não dá não é com máquina रास्ता दिक्कत है अभी जाना हाँ अब I want to go sitting करता सो I will go be तो सुनते हैं this something missing पता है क्या आपके तो लिख दिया प्यारा करे Malt इधर तीन चार दिन के तो last एक सप्ताह ये दिख रहा है ये तुम गरम पड़े तो इसके मत सब बंद कर दे হিসাবে স্কুল মতো আমার কালকে লাস্ট ডে মানে কালকে থেকে কালকে লাস্ট ডে তো মানে এভরিথিং অফিশিয়ালি সরকারি কাজ মাত্র কালকে না পরে সপ্তাহটা আছে
कल से सबका छुट्टी होगा कल से हमारा ड्यूटी चालू हो जाएगा कल से हमारा ड्यूटी चालू होगा क्योंकि सबका छुट्टी है तो आएगा
पुलिस के पास जितना काम पे मैं किया पूरा काम उल्टा जुमा को दिन आदमी छुट्टी घूमता है यार हमारा काम होता है ज्यादा खाली जुम्मो ईद के दिन आदमी घूमता है हमारा काम होता है
और स्कूल छुट्टी हो गया हमारा उसका सबका छुट्टी हुआ हमारा शुरू हुआ ड्यूटी
मोहम्मद साला दिन आता है तो टेंशन नहीं ये तो मोबाइल पर रेसिंग क्या अंशिन मोहम्मद अयो ठीक है ما أنا دور ما فيها صار والله مقطع كل شيء شوف صار بطشو بلاد شوف بطشو شو مقطع كثير مرة
Hello, welcome to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. I am from Nepal. I live in Saudi Arabia. Before 4 years and a half as a coffee maker. So I make vlog daily life how we survive inside Saudi Arabia for an employer as a coffee maker. That's why now in Saudi Arabia I could change weather. Now before winter, so winter beginning finish. Now is almost into the summer. Now is if you talking about the weathers. Now Saudi Arabia today temperature 37. So even our country doesn't never become the like hot temperature 37. So now before we go just by self walking, but now we have more one thing. Sabir aaya? So now she said we have the coming some facility. So we go. So I now come out from accommodation to outside waiting for the car because we have the now car. Now is almost temperature 37. Even we cannot stay the long time, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 20 minutes, half hour. We can survive the easily because our body is cool inside the AC we living. After now come outside, almost like we don't know how we feel. It direct we become the outside. So I make vlog not just for the Nepali people or from all of country who will want to come Saudi Arabia, who will already in Saudi Arabia, can learn from my video how to survive the daily life, what sacrifice. So don't be upset, don't be afraid. Just be continue to just do hard work. So that's why today I didn't wearing the sunglass because sunglass I make for just make for easy I can see the video. But now I go now car. That's why I no need the sunglass. Little bit I cannot see, but I can survive. So I also this one moment I can take the camera reality. So now it's outside too much hot. That's why I cannot see properly. It's become like plain. So now it's time in Saudi Arabia 3 o'clock 35 minutes. It's evening time, afternoon. So this is my duty. Go time now after 10 hours. Then I come back. Then I have to cook myself. Time cook, go market, sleep again tomorrow go duty. So this is I don't have some important content the daily. Just this normal content like how we survive. So many people doesn't know this one is make the big issue. We have big problem, eat problem, sleep problem, how to work. That's why I can make the people take the simple. Already our car coming.
Naule ko erko dazi mo kuri jani lokala hamle time to say the name eto sulu monna eto sulu अंदर बोले जी गुरे अंदर रख के करने तीन जी बड़ी लगी यार बिल्कुल नहीं इच्छा गुरु ये जी तो आवत
Shukran Shabir. So already arrived the workplace. So I don't talk inside the car because we are many people. That's why just I keep it the on my camera. This is my workplace. Finally I arrived. If he come the by car, it's we doesn't feel stay now in Saudi Arabia. That's why before I came by walking myself, I feel more hot. So look like daytime daytime look like this is my workplace. But difference between day and night, night we can see very good place. If even this place we can see more light. But now is nothing like. So this is the most important in Saudi Arabia. And that's why I want to explore the people, what the expectation versus reality. It means reality. Even the same place, if we make the night video, very good coming. But daytime is just like the normal. Oh my god. Temperature 37. So this is my workplace. Now we have the good opportunity. We don't no need to come by self. We have the car now. That's why Diamond, diamond. So people who have the money bank, but my money bank, this one. This is my money bank. This can provide for me. This is my money bank. So now finally I arrived all place. So I have to close the camera because my vlog just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Oh. So I feel the better now today. No hot, no cool.